Mae Mrs Bridges yn athrawes ymroddgar iawn, rhoi 100% iddi swydd, ond mae wir yn rhoi'r plentyn yn ganolog i'r holl waith mae'n gwneud.
Mae'n bwysig iawn i cael athro neu athrawes sy'n brwd iawn dros y pwnc, a mae'n dod trwyddo gyda Mrs Bridges. Mae'n wastad gwen ar ei wyneb.
Beth sy'n rili sefyll mas yw y ffordd mae ddi'n dangos cariad tuag at y plant, a mae'n rili ennill parch y plant.
She's incredibly kind. She encourages that in them as well. And she's just, you know, everything that you would want in a teacher.
Ni'n goffa reid maths o pethau sydd ddim yn hwyl, ond mae'n neud yn mwy exciting.
So maths yn boring?
Okay, yn rhaid exciting.
Dani deserves to win the award because she is a real embodiment of going over and above. She has a very individualised approach, which means that every day things can look different in the room. She shows a care and a warmth mirrored with an extreme professionalism that means that she won't stop until she can guarantee that every child is getting the absolute best.
Mrs Sidnell has really helped my daughter Ella transition into school. Ella's autistic, so it comes with a range of complex needs, and the time and dedication that she's given, which is beyond her teaching, has been really amazing.
She always puts in 100% in whatever she does.
She would make us all feel like included, and she would make everyone feel welcome.
Rhian is just totally and utterly dynamic in the classroom. She's fully and wholeheartedly focused on child development. The children love spending time over in the Forest School, and she's really transformed what we can offer here in Cadw Primary School.
She is full of enthusiasm, especially for enabling children to flourish using the outdoors, and that's been infectious and spread to all the staff, the pupils and the parents.
Teaching isn't just about filling a bucket, it's about igniting a fire. And she does that metaphorically in the classroom and literally in the Forest School.
I can't speak highly enough of her. The well-being of the children is at the heart of everything she does.
And Miss Thomas makes the best hot chocolate.